Mobile workers are a very important part of our customer segmentation. In Shell, we are segmenting the different type of customers clearly to make sare that we can tailor-make our offer to their needs. Mobile workers belong to a group we normally call road warriors, the ones who are traveling a lot.
Our customers not only want to be refueled and refreshed when they come to our site, but it's now even more important that they can work on the move. And that ranges from basic Wi-Fi services, being able to print a document, through to actually having a meeting with a colleague or being able to have a teleconference in a private area.
Whatever we can do to make their life easier, whether it's fast food, differentiated fuels, or business services on the road, clearly we need to do that because this is the most important customer segment we have in Europe for Shell.
Bringing this service additionally to the existing services on Shell sites would really make the difference to other sites, because so far all the competitors in this environment are not playing in this game.
I think mobile services for us are very important. I think mobile workers have choices. They can go to McDonald's, there's Wi-Fi there, there's other locations, so the competition is fierce. And we feel that as Shell, we have the opportunity to use that network. We have 45,000 service stations around the world to really have a network offer and therefore be the preferred destination on the move for those mobile workers.
So our trial last year, the mobile workspace we created at Shell Jamboree, was a world first.
The choice for Regus in this pilot, I think, was quite obvious. In this world of office services, there's only one company.
Regus is the clear leader in business services in the world, a fantastically well-known brand and a highly mobile, developing, energetic new type of activity and brand. We very much like that.
I was heavily impressed how open, how creative, how innovative Regus was, and with the background of their global supportiveness.
Culturally, we get on very, very well. We can develop programs together in a mutually beneficial way, and we can share our own creativity in order to satisfy customer needs better. So after the successful French trial, we need to make the next step and make sure that we also understand how can we cross-promote, how can we get to the right sort of scale. In Berlin, where we would like to have another trial, with the more than 5 million inhabitants, a huge number of road warriors living in that area, enabling us to see what the network effect would be. We've seen that Regus is very, very flexible to adapt, to modify, to tailor-make the offer to the customer needs. That's why we believe that the Berlin test will be giving us a real good understanding what is the scale of the business. Berlin is with 5 million inhabitants, where we could use our Club Smart loyalty database, which is a couple of 100,000 customers in that area. Also with our Euroshell database for the fleet customers, we can have a very good coverage. And we can clearly establish in Berlin how big the scale can be if we decided to go and introduce business services all across in Europe and potentially globally.